Hey, hello guys. Today's topic is about how to cancel assurance policy. All steps and all methods you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Cancel Esurance Policy over the phone. You can connect with the customer support of Esurance over the phone. The customer service number of Esurance is 1-800-3787-262. So you can just dial this number and wait out the phone queue. You will soon be assigned a customer support representative who you can talk to and let know that you do not wish to continue your insurance plan. They might ask you for the reason, so be ready with a valid one so that they can't convince you to keep the plan. They will ask you to provide a specified date from which you would like to put the cancellation of your plan into effect. You can also ask them if there is any cancellation fee that they will need to pay or any refund if they are eligible for it. Once you provide them with all the details that the agent needs for the cancellation of your assurance plan, they will process your request and your plan shall be cancelled. Make sure to ask them to provide you with a confirmation message for the same. Then, you will have to send the proof of your cancellation to the assurance company as a last step, so that they also have the confirmation of the same. You can send the proofs either via email or physical mail. If you want to send them the details through email, then you will be required to send the email to the address customerfeedback@csr.assurance.com. If you would prefer the physical mailing option for sending the proof that your plan has been cancelled, then you can send it to Assurance Customer Service, Allstate Insurance Company, PO Box 660637. And you are done.
By using this method, you can easily cancel your assurance policy. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.